we carry, clothes we lived in, all the tales we will tell our children. Oh, we're taking the high road. Lay beside me, wake the morning, ever after, day reborn in.
Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure from WA Forby's Adventures. We're out here in Brunswick. We're actually on another family event, but we figured we'd come out and do some four-wheel drive and make some footage for you. So we got Ben, Danny, me and Big Dylan, and we've just come across this hill out here in Brunswick. This one here. This is a bit of a climb, I think. We're going to see if the big mighty GQ that's got here can make that without a struggle. Don't know if we're willing to Prado, but who knows. So yeah, we're going to have a look and see how we go, and we'll see what happens. We'll get the big fella on his way. So anyway guys, we've done that little bit of a hill climb. I didn't take the ruts like the boys did. I went up the easy bit, but I still made it up there. We've just taken Danny's car back. It's got a few problems with the ball joints and that, so he's out in the ride with me today, tagging along in the car. The boys are parked up here because we've just found this rocky bit. They're going to try it with their lift and tyres. So we'll show you that. This is the rocks we're actually climbing up. Ben reckons he's going to give it a go. I know that my Prado ain't going to make this.
No, take it up there.
No, I reckon. This is what I'm looking at right here. Straight to the left, straight up there.
Over that bit there.
They reckon. No, cut through there. Hey, look, a socket.
What?
So this is the rocks we're walking on.
You're missing a 14mm socket? Nah, 10.
Dylan's thinking about taking this little bit of a line here and trying to get up. And then, yeah, we got all this up here.
You reckon it's straight between there?
Yeah, it goes to another track.
So you've got to sort of got this bit here. These boys are going to actually try this. Can't believe they're going to actually try this.
Here.
Then how are you going to get down?
Down narrower than you.
And then, yeah, it just goes sort of flat.
I'm starting to think here.
So we'll go down and have a talk to the boys and see who's doing what. And then once one of them moves, I'll bring my car back.
But I need to be, because I've got the wider wheel track.
So what are you thinking?
I want to be kept away from these edges here. I don't want to bust a tyre.
It's alright,
So right here.
it's alright. I got my rattle gun in the car.
Yeah, so do I. I got mine as well.
So what line you boys going to take? Because there's no way my Prado's doing that.
I'm probably looking at this line here.
Nah, it's not doing it, man.
My car is the I'd have tried it.
With a stuffed ball joint.
Someone's put a track here. Their
It's pretty
tyres.
flat up
I
there.
was going to take it up here.
It's only this bit here, the rest is flat up there.
Yeah. Well, do we know if it goes anywhere? Let's come back down.
Well, it must link up.
No,
with
it'll
that
link
track.
up there somewhere, it has to. So, yeah,
Link up with that track.
Dylan's going to take this line here. I think Ben's going to take the same line.
It's this bit here.
So, we're going to go down the bottom here. Danny's probably going to stay here, right in this main bit that we're going to need with the camera, because this is where it's all going to be all the good stuff. And I'm going to get my phone down the other end just as the boys come up from the back.
What?
I reckon if you stand there, Danny, you'll get it all.
Oh, I'll give stuff my all.
I'll start there and then I'll work my way up here.
Yeah, you film off your phone.
So,
as well.
These boys are going to try this. I'm going down the bottom and get them started on my phone, and we'll see how it goes.
All good, mate. I'll just let you drive it.
Diff gone. Nah, diff gone.
Diff!
Yep.
Diff scored.
You didn't do.
Same thing as what you did last time at the camping pool. You
bent-
just broke it.
You bent your arm again, bro.
Yeah.
You bent your arm again, bro. That last bit, you hit it.
So anyway guys, the boys have done that. We've got a bit of footage on the two cameras, a little bit on my phone. Yeah, this rock place out here in Brunswick has taken victim to one of our cruise cars. Big Dylan has bent another control arm. That's probably what the bang was that you heard, and his wheel started hitting the guard. He just about made it up as well, and yeah, then that happened. So that's our forebeing for this weekend out here. Hopefully we can put this footage up for you somewhere along the lines, maybe with a few photos and a bit of drone footage. Anyway, there's us from WA Forby's Adventures. Dylan and Ben are gone that way. Danny's down here with me, he's in my car. We're going to head back to camp and see the damage on this. Dylan's limping his car back. Another episode of WA Forby's Adventures, very short one this time, unless of course we get it fixed. Yeah, we hope you're liking these videos, and if you are, please hit the subscribe, bell notification for more coming to you guys. Just a little bit of footage out here from Brunswick. Cheers guys, we'll catch you on the next one.
Alright guys, welcome to Dunes' Adventures, and you know, this is my mate Dylan. We call cousins, we're from Seychelles. Then you got two gangsters over there, and then you got Robbo over there. Alright, serious.